Hi everyone, in this short video we just give a quick review for anyone who never know about a good double-sided tape and need to get something like stick some of plastic or some of the metal object or something sticking together as well with the wooden block, or but the surface need to be smooth rather than muddy like this, because with the wooden is different story. But anyway, this is the story to tell from us, where we use Gorilla double-sided tape over many other application, over many other different brands, because of the specifically need what we need to do. For example, normally we need to stick our camera directly onto a plastic surface at the back end of a car, and we definitely want to get it stay there for as long as possible in the weather. And technically this kind of double-sided tape stand in the weather and help us to keep the camera staying for, well, many years, I would say, because we stick it on and we actually haven't heard back from our clients over years. So technically it is one of the very good one to use it for the outdoor condition, where you certainly want to stick some of the plastic piece to another plastic surface. That would be the very best application that we would think of for the outdoor. But otherwise, sticking something small plastic onto a metal surface like a car's body or something like that would be not a problem, the similar thing. But try to clean the surface as much as you can. And in this application, we actually tell about the story that our scanner battery was long gone, and we pull out the whole thing, and we found that the battery in this version actually is only 5-volt rate, which is very similar to what anything like this particular battery that we use in a phone. And this particular one is extension 0 lemon 10,000 milliampere hour battery from an extension battery before for a phone we got. So we remove the factory auto battery and get the wiring down through here, just 2 cable, and then we solder into the extension battery, and it's stick on by nothing else but the Gorilla's double-sided tape. Yes, I think we stick it there for quite a number of years already. And today we actually decide to upgrade the battery, not because this one 0 element is already gone, but it is something that we might think it is not 100% as what we need. So we have a chance to grab one of the special battery out of a device. If you want to know how this battery come from, where it come from, it is a 3.7 volt and 74 watt hour, 20,000 milliampere, and it is double side, more than that one. And we already tested and it charges and it works well, and we will now clean this surface and stick this one on the back here. But I want to tell again, the double-sided tape is really good. It feels just like the first day when we stick it on, very sticky but not messy on the hands. That's what we love. No, not messy, just sticky, very sticky, and does its job really well. And when we remove it, it's so clean on the surface here, which is awesome, because with many other type of the other glue, or especially glue or double-sided tape, you leave a bad sticky surface after you try to remove them, but this one is not. So thumbs really up for this one. I would give 2 thumbs up, but one hand hold the camera, so yep, one big thumb up. Gorilla, thank you. We have no association with them, absolutely nothing. We just love it.